In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine date and time columns in Excel. If you've got one column with a date and another with a time, and you want a single, clean timestamp for reporting or sorting, this quick method will get you there with a simple formula. First, choose the cell where you want the combined result to appear. It's a good idea to use an empty cell in a new column next to your existing data, so everything stays organized and easy to read. Keeping the results separate also lets you double-check it without changing your original date and time values. Next, enter the formula that does the magic. Type an equal sign, click the cell that contains the date, type a plus sign, and then click the cell that contains the time. For example, if your date is in A2 and your time is in B2, you would type equal A2 plus B2. Using the cell references, rather than typing a date or time directly into the formula, ensures your combined value updates automatically if the original date or time changes. Press Enter to confirm. Excel will add the date and time together because of how it stores these values. Behind the scenes, dates are stored as whole numbers counting days, and times are stored as fractions of a day. When you add them, you get a full date and time value. In many cases, Excel will display both the date and time right away. If you see a long number instead, that's just the serial value Excel uses internally. It means the math worked. The display can vary depending on your current cell formatting, but the underlying result is a valid timestamp either way. A quick tip for accuracy. Make sure the original date and time cells are recognized by Excel as real dates and times, not text. If the time looks like ordinary text, or includes unexpected characters, Excel may not add it correctly. When your source cells are true date and time values, the formula works reliably every time. And that's it. Click the target cell where you want the combined value, type equals, select the date cell, add the plus sign, select the time cell, and press Enter. You now have a single, precise timestamp you can use for sorting, filtering, or calculating durations. This approach is simple, fast, and keeps your original data intact while creating a clear, combined result you can use anywhere in your workbook.